Amelia looked at the kitchen floor. It was dirty. There were little pieces of food on the floor. Amelia saw bread crumbs and cracker crumbs. She saw cheese crumbs. She saw little pieces of bread. She saw little pieces of cracker. She saw little pieces of cheese. Amelia needed to sweep the floor. She didn't want bugs in her kitchen. Bugs like to eat little pieces of food. Amelia took the broom out of the kitchen closet. She took the dustpan out of the kitchen closet and swept the floor. She swept all the pieces of food into the dustpan.